This curious contraption is my attempt to reproduce a dehumidifier. So it's actually costing me 46 watts of energy, which is not very efficient. And this is how it's supposed to work. Air is pulled from this box. The box has an hydrometer, goes into this Peltier module called side down, and then comes here to this second box. The idea is that the water will actually condense inside this blue module here and then come and accumulate in this box. From there it goes back here where I have a little pump that is reinjecting the dry air into the box. To be honest, that's not really working very well. Yeah, I mean, I understand here the hygrometer says 65 outside, but it's not so much that and 56 inside. It's not so much that the box is working, but rather than the outside relative humidity has been increasing. So the inside went from 58 to 56% of relative humidity, and somehow it's fun because the temperature seems to be higher than here. So I suspect my system to actually cool down the air and as the humidity condensate is not working very well. I don't see any water here. I will open it later. Another thing, and you can see how humid is the air here. Actually, the outside of this module is getting, see the water here is actually getting the air to condensate. So I'm not sure how well it is working inside. I suspect that that little pump is a little bit too powerful and the air doesn't have time to cool down here. And the whole thermodynamic of the system is such that the air is just not cooling. So maybe I have to find something else, but glad I tried.